She said, why have I been abandoned?
Oh, it's so bright.
It's a bite.
Okay, Quinny. Ready?
Whee! Quinn, you're looking a little robotonic. Yeah, I think it'd be better if you pulled it, honey.
Oh, you gotta pull it?
Yeah, I think it might be better that way.
Okay.
I'll go get some rope. You can just slide her back and forth like a rope pull.
Whee! What's going on? Whee! Whee! Oh my good God.
Should we try on the snow or no? Should it be too heavy?
I don't know.
No, you could try it. That is probably the funniest thing I've seen in a while.
Does Uncle Doug want to try one?
Swing you around. Hang in there.
Oh, good job, Spence. Would she say something?
She goes, yeah.
Hey.
Quinn?
All you see
No? Is that
is
fun?
clothing.
I know.
Turn back around? Okay.
She's like, I don't know if these boots. Yeah? Is that fun, baby? Whee! Whee!
I can barely get up this thing.
Should we try her on the steep course now?
Yeah, let's try her.